How to message someone on Tinder. If any day and if you are a Tinder user and in your very Tinder account, you'd like to message anyone on the Tinder application there but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Tinder application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you can go to the search section of your mobile device and search Tinder out there. And likewise, you can also manually search the Tinder application on your mobile device by scrolling left or right. And after you find the very Tinder application, you have to tap on the very Tinder application, because after you tap on the Tinder application, Tinder will be launched on your very mobile device. Likewise, you also need to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check it, and when the Tinder is launched on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now after that, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very chat section on the down portion. After you tap on the very chat section on the down portion, now you can also send the messages to the people that you want. But one thing that you have to remember is, in order to send the messages to any of the people there, the very person should be your match, and in order to match the very person there, the very match should be from both the sides. And if both the sides have matched, you can tap on the very person there. After you tap on the very person, you can see the section like this of type a message. You can go to the option of type a message and you can send the message to the very person there, and this way you can send a message on Tinder. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.